Hello children, myself Shubhai Patil Kulkarni. I am going to continue with chapter 13 surface areas and volumes. In that, surface area of a sphere. To find out the surface area of a sphere, sphere, you know, the shape of sphere is in this form. To find out the surface area of a sphere, surface area of a sphere is equal to surface area of a sphere. Formula is 4 pi r square roots. Curved surface area of a hemisphere. Curved surface area of a hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of the curved surface area. CSA of a hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square roots. Total surface area of a hemisphere. Total surface area of a hemisphere, that is CSA, curved surface area, plus the area of this pi r square. So total surface area PSA of a hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square meters. These are the three formulas we are going to use to find out the surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere, to find out, we have to use the formula 4 pi r square meters, and the curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square meters, and the total surface area of hemisphere, curved surface area plus area of this base on top. So this is nothing but 3 pi r square meters. These are the three formulas we are going to use it to find out the surface area of a sphere and curved surface area of a hemisphere and total surface area of a hemisphere. So by using these three formulas, we have to solve this exercise 13.4 exercise. In 13.4 exercise, the heading is find the surface area of a sphere of radius. They gave radius and we have to find out the surface area. The radius they gave 10.5 centimeter and find out the surface area of a sphere. So surface area of a sphere formula is 4 pi r square meters. Substitute the value 4, value of pi we know, that is 22.7. R value, the given value substitute 10.5 into 10.5. Then you simplify by multiplying 4 22s are 88, 7 1s are 7 5s are. So if you multiply these two, you are going to get this. After simplification, it becomes like this way. So the value of surface area of a sphere is equal to 1386 centimeters square meters. So this is the way when they give you R value, how to find the surface area. So by using the formula 4 pi r square, pi value go anyway and r value substitute and simplify, you will get the answer. So in the first main only, second one. In first main only, they gave radius. Second one, that is r value is 5.6 centimeter. So they gave surface area, we have to find out is 4 pi r square meters 4 into 22 by 7 into 5.6 into 5.6. So multiply here and you are going to get 7 ones are 7.8 side get cancelled. If I multiply these two, I get 4.48. So then after multiplication, it becomes 394.2400. So after approximation value, you can write it as 394.24 centimeters square. So this is the way of finding the surface area when you know R value. So write down, children. Write down. So the first way only, third one will be radius value 14 centimeter. Then find out the surface area of a sphere. The formula is 4 pi r square units. Substitute the value in this 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. 7 ones are 7 twos are. Then multiply. You are going to get 2464 centimeters square meters. Then second question, second main. Find the surface area of sphere of diameter. They gave diameter here. Then you have to find out the surface area only. When they give you diameter, you have to find out the radius. Radius is equal to d by 2. This is equal to 14 by 2. 7 centimeter. See, now I got the value of r as 7 centimeter. Then I can find out surface area of a sphere, that is 4 pi r square meters. So substitute the value. Pi value 22 by 7. The r value has become 7 now. 7 ones are 7. 88 into 7. Then after simplification, you are going to get 616 centimeters square as the surface area of a sphere. So when they give you directly r you can substitute. When they give you d value, diameter value, then you have to convert to radius. Then you have to substitute. You have to find out the surface area of a sphere in the same manner. Okay, children. In the second question now. So second question they gave diameter as 21 centimeter. So then you have to find out r d by 2. So that is 21 by 2. Surface area of this sphere is equal to 4 pi r square meters. Then this is equal to 4 pi r square meters. 4 into 22 by 7. This is equal to 21 by 2 into 21 by 2. So to simplify it becomes easy. As it is, you keep it radius. 2 11s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 7 1s are, 7 3s are. Then after simplification, you multiply and simplify. You will get 1386 centimeters square r square centimeter. So this is the way of finding the value of surface area when they give you diameter value. So d is equal to r is equal to then d by 2, 3.5 by 2. So surface area formula is 4 pi r square meters. 4 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are cancelled. 7 1s are, 7.5s are. So after multiplication, you are going to get in this manner. So simplify, we get square known as surface area as 38.5 meters square. It is in meter. It is in meter. Then it is in meter. So unit also will be in meter then. Okay, children? Write down. In this manner, we will give you radius and diameter. How to find out the surface area of a sphere? So they gave directly R values in the formula. You can substitute directly. When they had given for you diameter, you have to convert to radius by dividing by 2. Then you substitute in the formula surface area for sphere formula 4 pi r square and simplify. You will get the surface area for sphere, children. Okay, children? Right now. Children, third question. Find the total surface area for hemisphere of radius 10 cm. Use pi value as 3.14 they give. So what is the formula to find out the total surface area for hemisphere then? TSCM of hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square meters. So then 3 pi value they gave only in the question 3.14 I was substitute. And radius value they gave 10 into 10. So then it becomes 3 into 3.14, 10 into 10 you multiply, 100 becomes, then if I multiply it to 100, then it becomes 314. You multiply these two and you get 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 3s are 9, 942 square centimeter. The value if they had given in the centimeter, you have to write it in the form of centimeter. Okay, children? So when they give you the value of R, how to find out the total surface area of a hemisphere? So in this manner, you have to find out by using the formula. Then fourth question. They give the radius of spherical balloon increases from 7 cm to 14 cm as air is being pumped. Okay, the radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 cm to 14 cm as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface area of the balloon in the two cases. So when the radius is the radius of the balloon increases R1 when the radius was 7 cm. Surface area of this balloon is SA1. It becomes, what is the surface area of a balloon? 4 into 22 by 7, 7 into 7, R value substitute, 7 and the 7 cancel. Then you multiply these two, then you get 6 and 16 centimeters square. This is surface area of sphere when the radius was 7 centimeter. And when the radius, when R is equal to R2, that is 14 centimeter, then SA2 of that balloon, it becomes surface area of that balloon when the radius is 14 centimeter is equal to, that is 4 pi r square rate 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Then 7 answer 7 into 7. So multiply these two, you are going to get 2464 centimeters square. And they told for us to find out the ratio between these two also. Okay, so that is the ratio between these two is nothing but SC1 divided by surface area, that is nothing but 6 and 16 divided by 2464. So after simplification, you are going to get 6164 you get. So this becomes 1 by 4. So the ratio between these two surface area, when the ratio was 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter is 1:4 children. In this manner, you have to find out the ratio between surface area for two spheres when the balloon it increases the radius from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter, and the ratio between those two is nothing but 1:14. Okay, write down.